What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYBA Laneyy. People, going back to another video, another banger. And yes, today, you read the title, you've seen the thumbnail. We are finally going to be working with all of this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all really loved the kit. I got a lot of positive feedback. A lot of y'all liked it. And surprisingly, not a lot of y'all hated it, which I thought some of y'all were just gonna completely say it was ugly. And it wasn't the case. So appreciate it for all the good feedback. We are going to be prepping the bumpers today for the wrap and just some little repairs on the bumper, smooth it out so it gets all done. And we also have the mesh that is going to be going right here, and this has like some little chicken wire kind of mesh that I don't really want to run, but I kind of don't mind being there. It's not that bad, okay? It's not that bad. I really just want to get the kit on the car. This is what we are going to be putting right here in these little vents in the rear. The rear bumper is the one that needs the most work. The front bumper seems to be perfect. Like, it's drilled. It hopefully, like, when we put it on, it lines up perfectly. And just sand it down, get it ready for wrap, because apparently, like, FRP, the way it comes, has some type of whatever over it. Vinyl won't stick to it. I don't know how to do any of that prepping and stuff that I just talked about, but so my uncle is on his way to come save the day and come teach me and do it with me, so that we don't have to take it to a shop, and it's an opportunity for me to learn. And if you guys don't know, you guys can learn with me. So guys, haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Susie is going to be looking super amazing. Hopefully in this video we're able to test fit it, and also we're doing a minor upgrade cosmetically to the G. Maybe in this video, maybe in the next video. We'll see how today goes, but that is also happening later today, but we might make it 2 videos.
My rain isn't change it. Hey, hopping out in LA, I'm in the Rari with the brains missing. Mixing up my designers with the Ray Simmons. That's been running wild, I can't take this shit. My whole life got a lock on me, I'm trying to break this. Thinking about when.
Alright, y'all, just loaded the bumpers up. Little cold start. Yeah, Susie is awake.
We had all them times we couldn't pay our rent. Cooped up in the bed, just ain't no way to live. Had to switch my route up, had to save my kids. Had to go and separate from all that lame ass shit. My whole life got a lock on me, I'm trying to break this shit.
Freaking squeeze. But we got Susie in the garage. So from the video I watched, you unscrew these, and this little plastic black piece is held on by 3 tabs. Okay. And it would just pop out, and then there's I think this is like a, it's like a, I don't know what they call it, what, a T screw or something. It's some screw that you could get with like an Allen wrench right here.
Oh, okay, I got that.
Right here.
Yeah.
And then on the inside of the fender well, there's 3 8mm bolts, and then tabs here. And then there's one right on the inside of where the exhaust is going to be, right here.
Okay.
So, and then that's how we...
Yeah, but it's like same thing?
Yeah. Yep. So we got these off. These are the little screws we was talking about. They just snap off right here. It's a little dirty, I didn't think. And also I noticed that I had a scuff on the freaking taillight right here, but I feel like that could be buffed out or something.
It's got to be sanded and
Damn. Now that I'm looking right here, since how low the car is sitting, then look at all the freaking tire rub. Because of how low the car is sitting, I'm thinking it's going to be a little hard to reach these bolts. Because look at, we don't really have much space to work with.
Let it jack it up.
Yeah, jack it up. I think those are tabs.
Yeah, the tabs.
Let's see. Let's see if I can figure out how to do this. Nice. Yes, sir. I did something.
Oh, you used it before, didn't you?
Huh?
Didn't you use the jack before?
Yeah, but that was before I lowered it. Yeah, she has a lift off. There you go.
These beefy tires you got here.
I know the meats. Alright, y'all, it's my turn to attempt to take these bolts off. Yeah. Got one. Got two.
Bring it forward. Bring it back in. The screw.
So update, we got this screw out. That's why the tabs on the bottom were pretty hard to pull out, because this screw was doing a lot of work. And now this side of the bumper, we still got to do the other side with this screw, but it's, you know, it'll slowly start to come loose. I watched a video about how to take this off before we start doing this, and he said just even when everything's off, it's like a tedious process just to get it, because it's like super snug to the taillights and like when the body line, which, you know, it should be because it's OEM. Got it. I missed it a little bit because we're trying to figure it out, but yeah, they're all just like little clips, and they're just like scary to take out, because, you know, you never really know how strong a clip is. These things could just snap off at any moment. Is this ripped or is it supposed to come
No, it's
off?
glued on there.
Oh, ugh.
Yeah, you can put new glue on there.
Okay. I mean, it should come off. A little sneak peek. Or you don't want to tease us too much, Susie. Relax. Did I break it?
No, you're good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's got some wires connected. That's for the
license plate.
yeah,
light?
the lights. We're gonna have to fit all of these brackets into the new bumper. He did tell me that we might run into some fitment issues for that. Dang, this thing got like veins connecting to everything. Susie's got her panties off. What are we gonna do with this thing? I'll just move it out the way.
Yeah, let's put it out there for now.
This is what the back of a Supra looks like without the bumper. It looks pretty sad. It looks like one of them futuristic, like, abandoned cars. First test fit. Sheesh, y'all. Susie looking crazy. Got a little bit better lighting right here. Can't wait for this to be on and done. Alright, y'all, we got the bumper pretty much lined up. We didn't bolt on the left side just because the heat shields were getting in the way, like kind of blocking us from really fitting it on there. So, and you know, as you know, the left side, the bolt is like, the bolt hole is broke, so we kind of just painter taped it just to line it up, to see what we're working with, see what adjustments we need to make when we, you feel me, when we prep it. And right now Susie's getting dropped so we can see what she looks like on the floor. Okay, should we close the trunk?
Yeah, let's close it.
All right. Oh yeah. Oh, Susie is gonna look freaking sick. That looks crazy. I know the lighting is kind of trash on the camera, but let me see if I can switch to the phone and maybe y'all can get a little better idea. But dang, like, Susie is about to be a real race car. This side right here, and it's not bolted in or anything, but the fitment, it's not bad, right? I think.
No, it's not bad.
No, it's not bad. I mean, there should be some few tweaks, like, you know, this could be better right here, but you know, it's not that big of a deal.
Yeah. I want to put the screw up in this one. So we can at least get it snug. Make sure everything's gonna fit right.
Yeah, make sure everything's fit right. Then we make our adjustments after.
Yeah.
Sounds good. But yeah, y'all, so you guys can kind of get an idea of what the body kit's gonna look like right here. Just in the rear though, we haven't touched the front. The front is really gonna complete this stuff, but we're gonna need to test fit the reverse light, these reflectors, and up here with the lights for the license plate and the rear camera. All that stuff is gonna be a work in progress. I guess we're gonna see right now if the sensors are gonna freak out not being plugged in, even though we're probably gonna switch them over from the other bumper onto this one. It's good to know. We'll see what happens. All right, warm start. Jesus. Automatic parking sensors malfunction. Tailgate open. Tailgate open. Okay, it's open partially. I mean, it's not really tripping.
Not tripping?
No, it just says parking assistant malfunction, but it's not like beeping at me. Oh, look at the rear camera.
Oh shit.
I can't see nothing.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella balls. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tuck it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs gets me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.